Hey, yeah, you. Come on, I got something I got to show y'all. I just made the best cinnamon roll casserole you will ever put in your mouth in your entire life. Come on, I'll show y'all how to make it. Tonight we're going to be making a cinnamon roll casserole. So this is what you'll need: the Grand's biscuits, heavy whipping cream, butter, brown sugar, and some cinnamon of your choice, and some extra powdered sugar. All right, let's get started. Okay, everybody, I promised y'all a quick, simple recipe. So here you go. I made this a couple of weeks ago, and my husband just absolutely flipped over it. I absolutely flipped over it. It was very good, very simple. I'm going to turn my oven on about 350. Going to take some Bop It cinnamon rolls. That's what we call it whenever you bop the can to get them out. You could make your own cinnamon rolls, and it'd be yummy too, but this is quick, simple, easy. If you got company coming and you want something that you can make quick and easy, this is what you need. So I'm not even going to measure this. I'm going to take my casserole dish, and you can use whatever size you want depending on how many rolls you want to use. I'm going to pour some in the bottom where I have something to lay my cinnamon rolls in. That was probably about half a cup. There's 6, or is there 5? Make sure I got them all. Looks like there's only 5. Trust me, that's all you're gonna need. 5. If it's just you and your husband, or if it's just 4 of y'all, this will make one, and then y'all can fight over the other one apiece. So for 2 people, you're gonna have leftovers. So I just sit those down in the bottom of the casserole dish. All you got to do. I'm going to melt my butter. On about 30 seconds. I'm going to put it in this little dish here. I'm going to let me get my cinnamon icing out of here, or my cream cheese icing. Sit it over here. Okay. Now I'm going to get my gigantic bag of brown sugar I got here. I use a lot of brown sugar. All right, that's 1 cup. Measure that out. And then my butters. Let's see if my butter's melted. Yeah. Okay. Then I'm going to pour my powdered sugar in there and use my cinnamon. You don't have to measure this, but just so y'all know, I think I'm going to do about a tablespoon. If you like a lot of cinnamon, you can use more. If you like less cinnamon, you can use less, because there's cinnamon already in the cinnamon rolls. This is just going to be something extra. And it is good, y'all. Very good. Mix this together. These cinnamon rolls are going to swell up. They're going to absorb up all of this heavy whipping cream. Every single bit of it it's just going to be like magic. So I'm going to put a little bit more over the top. And it soaks up all of this. You'll think they'll be floating in milk, but they won't be. All right, I got my cinnamon brown sugar butter mixture here. And if you want more butter than this, you can put more butter. But I'm just going to put it on top here. I'm just going to smooth it out in here. Just smooth it over them. That's all you got to do. All right. Now I've got my oven preheating to 350. Clean up my mess. I'm going to leave this milk out because I'm going to use it. So, for the topping, when it comes out and it cools a little bit, we're going to add the icing from the Bop It cinnamon rolls, some powdered sugar, and some extra milk. And then we're going to just pour that over the top of it. So, we got everything going in here. You see what it looks like? I think that's plenty of milk. That's probably maybe a cup of heavy whipping cream. All right, we're going to stick these in the oven. I gotta get this pan out of here. And I can't remember how long I cooked those last time. I think about 20 minutes. But you're going to watch them, and when you see those cinnamon rolls are all swelled, it's going to fill up that whole pan, y'all. I'm telling you. It's going to be like, whoa. So probably, let's just say 20 minutes. Let's see what the biscuit recipe called for. I got to go dig it out of the trash can. The cinnamon biscuits calls for 350 for 23 to 25 minutes. So we're going to do 20 minutes to start with. If it needs a little more, we'll do a little more. And while that's cooking, we're going to mix up the mixture. I'm going to change this out because it's got grooves in it and it catches stuff. Let's get me get a little bowl. And we're going to mix in. And I like to melt this a little bit. That way it's easier to come out of the container. I'm going to melt it just a little bit. Yeah, about 15 seconds. All right, we're going to pour this over in here in our bowl. Now, I know what y'all thinking. Y'all probably thinking, well, why can't you just make the cinnamon rolls, like you normally do? Well, yeah, you can do that. But I'm telling y'all, this is like, when you start out with the cinnamon rolls like this, the regular way, just out of the can, you give them probably a 5. When you make them this way, with all the extra stuff, they are a 10 plus. 10 plus. Okay, I got my icing in there. It's our base. And then we're going to put in some powdered sugar. And again, you can put a cup, you can put a half cup, depending on how much you want on it. And then we're going to add in some whipping cream. Heavy whipping cream. And we're going to give this a good stir. There is one more thing that I think I'll probably add. It's a touch of vanilla flavoring. Although there is vanilla flavoring in that icing, we're going to give it a little extra something. Just give it a little splash. Okay, just a little bitty splash. I think I want a little bit more milk and a little bit more powdered sugar. Probably going to use about a cup, half a cup. And if you make it with more than one can, you just double it. You just put both of the icings in there, and you put twice as much powdered sugar and twice as much vanilla and twice as much heavy whipping cream. That looks good. Tasting finger. That makes that icing taste so much better. I'm telling you. Okay. We're going to give the timer 20 minutes. Hey, Google, can you put 20 minutes on the timer? It don't ever listen. It's like my kids. Hey, Google. Google. Hey, Google. Hey, Google. Can you give me 20 minutes on a timer?
Okay, 20 minutes. Starting now.
I'll turn you up. Okay. When that goes off, we're going to come back and I'm going to show y'all what this looks like. You're not going to believe it. It's going to be so unbelievably good. Google. Hey, Google, stop. Okay, let's see what we got. It's been 20 minutes. Oh, boy. Look at this. I told y'all these things were going to swell up. Look at that. Holy moly. Let me make sure they're done. So we don't want no big giant ball of mush. Oh my gosh, those look good. Woo-wee. Man, they look delicious. I'm going to let those cool off. Okay. It's cooled off. Y'all, I hope y'all can see this. Let me just pick it up. You see how big those are? The whole pan is, these are grands for sure. They are swole up. There's still some of that heavy cream in the bottom that makes like a gravy, a sweet gravy. So now we're going to take our icing. And this is the consistency I have mine. You can make yours thicker if you want to. And I'm just going to drizzle this all over. It's going to go down in all them cracks and crevices. It's going to be so good. Make sure you got you some milk to drink with this because it's very sweet. Sweet and ooey gooey. My daughter and her kids, they love cinnamon rolls. And they always fight over who's going to get the middle cinnamon roll because it's always the moistest and the juiciest. Well, if you make these, you don't have to worry about who's going to get the middle one that's the ooey and the gooeyest and the juiciest because they're all ooey, gooey, delicious. Trust me. Every one of them. Oh my gosh. Tasting finger. If y'all want something y'all can make quick and easy, this is it. It brings cinnamon rolls to a whole new level. Trust me. Now, I'm going to dip one of these out and let y'all see what it looks like. And I'm going to dip it out with a spoon, y'all, because it has so much ooey gooey goodness with it. And I'm going to get the one on the end here. Now look at that. And it's got all this extra that you can pour over it. Like I said, it's like a gravy. It's still got steam on it. It's a little warm. Now, gotta taste this. You know me, I eat stuff when it's really hot because I love it. Y'all gotta trust me on this. This is the best cinnamon roll you will ever put in your mouth. I'm telling you. Can't beat it. Can't beat it. You ain't got to fight over who's going to get the middle piece. This is the side piece, the end piece. It is so good. 10 out of 10, y'all. Yeah. I'm going to go make me a glass of milk. I'm going to finish eating my cinnamon roll. Thank y'all for coming to watch me tonight. Y'all get in the kitchen and make y'all some of these cinnamon rolls. You will not regret it. Y'all have a blessed night, and I'll see y'all on the next video. God bless.
Hey, how you doing?